To create our menu design, we need to first start with by making a new document. So I'm going to click New Document here. Once our new document window pops up, we just set what we want. So do we want a number of pages? Do we want one page or two? For this assignment, we need 2 pages. The first page is going to be our cover, the front cover and the back cover, and then page 2 will be the inside of our magazine. We want to start with page 1. That is fine. Facing pages, let's cut facing pages off. We don't need those for this particular assignment. For our page size, we're going to set that to tabloid. Tabloid is an 11 by 17. That'll give us a little more space for our design. An 8.5 by 11 page will just be a little too tight. So for our orientation, it is by default set to portrait. We're going to set it to landscape. For number of columns, let's set that to 2. The gutters, we'll just leave alone. The margins, my margins are set to 0.5 all around, so that's a 1/2 inch all around. I'm just going to leave that. That works for me. And then I'm going to press OK. So here is our menu. So we have the first page, and then I'm going to scroll down with my mouse, and we have a second page. So this is the inside cover. I'm sorry, the inside of the menu where all our menu choices will be, and then we have the front cover and the back cover. Now remember when we discussed this in class, the cover is actually on the left side of the page. So I just made a text box by clicking my T and dragging a box. I'm going to go up to the top of my menu and I'm going to just adjust my font, make it 72 point instead, just so you guys can see it really well. And I'm going to type in the word cover so that I know my front cover is going to be on the right side of the page, which makes this, I'll go back over to my type tool, click and drag a box, makes this our back cover. I need to go back up to the top again and make my point size 72. And I'm going to type back cover. This is just so I do not forget when I'm designing what goes where. It's a good way to start out. Okay, so I know this is going to be my cover. This is going to be my back cover. And then the beautiful thing about this is the inside, which I'll just do another box just to do the inside, reads correctly. So when I say reads correctly, I mean you read it from left to right, just like you would a magazine or a newspaper. So that is one good thing we don't have to worry about. So at this point, we are kind of already set up. We have our 2 pages. We know the right side is our cover. We know the left side is going to be our back cover. And we know that the inside spreads are going to read as normal, as we would a newspaper or a magazine. So from here, I will save my settings. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to title this menu design. Let me cut my cap locks off. And now I'm ready to design. From here, I get on the internet. I'll start looking for pictures for my themed restaurant. I think my theme, I might do a golf theme. So I'm going to look for some golf themed pictures. I'll start designing some stuff, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video.